Hello everyone. A very good morning to each and everyone present here. Good morning Mohammad Asif Reza. Good morning Geeta Sahu. Good morning Tapsir Alam. Good morning Harshita. Good morning Rekha. Good morning Ashushikar. Hello Jatin. How are you? I'm fine. What about you all? Hi Senthil. Hello Ram Babu. Hello Parth. A very good morning to everyone. Hello Harry Rocker. How are you my dear students? Good morning Prabhudatta. Good morning Krishna. So on this particular class, or I should say in this particular class, I am seeing some of the new students joining me. Tekim, Hasita, Krishna, Jayashri, Sharat, Praveen. You all are new students, I believe. Hello, Bratiti. Good morning, my dear student. I'm fine. Well, it's a very good morning, really, because it's a polluted free morning. So, I actually welcome to the new students for this particular class. Okay. So, my dear students, as you all know that we have covered all the chapters of chemistry, and today in this particular session we are going to cover up what? The purification, and you can say the practical organic chemistry. From this particular part of the chapter, questions are asked, one or two. Sometimes no questions are also asked. Okay. So this chapter I would say is a bit easy chapter, but you have to memorize a lot. The reaction part, okay, the techniques, and then only you'll be able to solve. Well, the straight questions do come from this particular part of the chapter. Well, one question which is very important, which belongs to this particular part, is about the calculation of percentage of nitrogen present in an organic compound. We have to calculate it by either the Dumas method or the Gelderhal's method. I've seen the frequency of this question is very much in the previous years. Okay, fine my dear students, fine. So Lakshmi ma'am, when will be the conceptual class start? It will start very soon. It will get started very soon. You all will get the notifications of those particular classes. So need not to worry. First of all, let's finish today this particular part of revision marathon, the mega revision marathon. Well, my dear students, before moving ahead, I just want to know how much marks you scored in the mock test you attempted yesterday. So let me know the marks you attempted in your mock exam. Oh wow, Shrishti, you scored 40. Good. Ashushikar, you scored 35. Shrisha Yadav scored 36. Okay. Nevenjil, you scored 35. Rambaudi area, you scored 40. Minakshi, Sundaram, 35. Ankita Ara, 40. Sai Harshita, 35. Prabhudatta, you scored 35. Well, they are good marks. Tapsir, what happened? You didn't attempt it? You did not attempt the mock exam, Tapsir? You did not attempt the mock exam yesterday's? Okay, Brenda Suresh, you scored 40. Krishna Veni, you scored 36. Good. So I'm seeing Sanskriti scored 36. Jatin, you scored 40 out of 40. Well, to the new students, I would say one thing, that after the session gets over, click on the link given below in the description box. Click that particular link and you'll straight away taken to the mock exam. You have to attempt the mock exam because it boosted up your preparation. Okay. Yeah, Rekha, I'll start the session now only, need not to worry. So my dear students, a very good morning again to the students joining now. And without delaying much, let's move on to the first question of the session, and here goes the first question. Which of the following statement is not true about partition chromatography? Saurav, you scored 15. What happened, Saurav? Tarun, you scored 35. Good. Okay. Rekha, if it is buffering, then please, I would request you to refresh the page. Tapsir Alam said C is the right answer. Okay. Over here, the question is asking you that which of the following statement is not true. Not true about partition chromatography. You have to tell me this. Not true. So most of you are giving me the answers in the favor of option number C. But before that, I would request you, you should know that what is actually C saying to us. Good morning, Rekha. So till now, nobody is giving me the right answer. All of you are giving me the wrong answers. I mean to say, all of you are giving me the answer in the favor of option number C. Well, Brothity is saying A is the right answer. Okay, I'm waiting for more answers to come. Saurav Srivastav said that B is the right answer. So my dear students, I won't take much time, but I'll go with Saurabh. Saurabh, very good my dear student. You gave me the right answer and yes, B is the right answer. Lakshmi Menon, now you are saying that B is the right answer. So my dear students, B is the right answer. Why my dear students? See, which of the following statement is not true? First, I would say one thing, that there are different types of partition chromatography. We actually study liquid chromatography, liquid partition chromatography and gas liquid partition chromatography. So these are the two types of the partition chromatography we study. Clear my dear students? Now if I talk about that mobile phase can be gas, yes, it is the correct statement. Why? Because देखिए, in gas liquid chromatography, it is a technique in which the separation of the mixture is done by an inert gas along a tube. So over here, the mobile phase is a gaseous phase. Okay. So the statement number 2, stationary phase is a finely divided solid absorbent. This particular statement is the wrong statement and it is the correct answer of this particular question. Why my dear students? Because whenever we talk about partition chromatography, I would say stationary phase may or may not be finely divided solid adsorbent. If I talk about paper chromatography, it is also a type of partition chromatography. So paper is used as a stationary phase and over here finely divided solid adsorbent is not used. So if we are talking about partition chromatography, stationary phase may or may not be finely divided solid adsorbent. Okay, no worries Shreya and no worries Kuber. Is my voice echoing? Is it so? I don't feel. Okay, well if I talk about option number C, separation depends upon equilibration of solute between a mobile and a stationary phase. This particular statement is correct. Paper chromatography is an example of partition chromatography. Absolutely correct. Only option number 2 is the right answer for this particular question. Well my dear students, I am now moving away straight away on the second question. And yes, one thing you have to not forget about. One thing which I always remind you about is that attempt the mock test. The link of the mock test is given in the description box. Clear my dear students? Okay. Well, if you like the session, hit and like the button. Hit and like the session. Subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Well, all of you are saying me that option number C is the right answer to this particular question. Okay. If dichloromethane and water are used for differential extraction, which one of the following statement is correct? Let me know the answer. Okay. Yeah, Gyanvi, you are right. DCM, dichloromethane, would be staying at the lower position side and water would be staying at upper position side. Why? Because the upper layer will be the less dense and that is of water and the lower layer would be denser, DCM. So over here this particular term will be lower, okay, and this particular term would be upper. Okay, my dear students. Okay. And because of it, option number C is the right answer. All of you have given me the right answer. All of you have given me the right answer. See, if DCM and H2O, they are used for differential extraction, DCM will stay as lower and H2O will stay as upper layer in separating funnel, my dear students. Why? See my dear students, all alkyl halide. This is dichloromethane and alkyl halide. This is alkyl halide my dear students. Alkyl halide. Dichloromethane is the alkyl halide. So all alkyl halides are absolutely water insoluble. Are water insoluble. Water insoluble my dear students. Clear? All alkyl halides are dense as compared to water. Okay? So all alkyl halides are dense. Fine? As compared to water. As compared to water my dear students. Clear? Now in a separating funnel, upper layer is called the layer 1. Okay, and the lower layer is called the layer 2. Fine. So the upper layer will be the less dense, and that is water, and the lower layer would be denser, that is dichloromethane. So option number 3, option number C is the right answer. All of you have marked it correct. Congratulations. And yes my dear students, have a smile on your face. Keep up your Josh high, and the energy should be on the peaks. So here goes the next question on the screen for all of you. Okay, good morning Mala. Well, I'm getting the options in the favor of option number C. Okay, an organic compound is estimated through Dumas method and was found to evolve 6 moles of carbon dioxide, 4 moles of water and 1 mole of nitrogen gas. The formula of the compound is, yes, I'm getting the answers in the favor of option number C. Well, Saurav, what happened? Why are you saying that D is right? Option number C is the right answer, my dear students, and most of you, I would say all of you, have given me the right answer. See, my dear students, if I talk about Dumas method, CX, HY, NZ, and when it undergoes Dumas method, fine, under the process of Dumas method, what we are getting is 6 moles of CO2, 4 moles of H2O and 1 mole of nitrogen gas. So 6 CO2 means overhead 6 carbon atoms which we are getting from 6 CO2. Then 4 twos are 8 hydrogen atoms which we are getting from 4 moles of water. Then 2 nitrogen atoms which we are getting from 1 mole of nitrogen gas. It becomes C6H8N2, and therefore option number C is the right answer. Keep up the good work my dear students. Keep up the good work. All of you have given me the right answer. Hello Deepak, how are you? Hi Shreya. And Saurav, now, yeah, all have given me the right answer. Sanskriti, Shreya, Saurav, Vibha Agrawal, all have given me the right answer. Ashir Shikhar, all of you have given me the right answer. Good, my dear students, good. Okay, so here goes, without any delay, the next question on your screen. A flask contains a mixture of isohexane and 3-methylpentane. One of the liquids boil at 63 degrees Celsius while the other boils at 60 degrees Celsius. What is the best way to separate the two liquids and which one will be distilled out first? Wow, wow my dear students, क्या बात है. ये आज का क्वेश्चन पेपर क्या लीक हो गया था? Somebody leaked this particular question paper of today's session? As because all of you are giving me the right answer, that's why I am asking the thing. Okay, yes. So I won't take anybody's name because all of you have given me the right answer to this particular question. Really good, my dear students, really good. Keep up the good work. Yes, option number A is absolutely correct, my dear students. Okay, See, if I talk about isohexane. So if I draw the structure of isohexane, it looks like this. The structure of isohexane looks like this, my dear students. This is isohexane. Clear? If I talk about 3-methylpentane, it is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2 and CH3. Okay, my dear students? Clear है ये वाली चीज आप सभी को? It is 3-methylpentane. 3-methylpentane, my dear students. Done. Now over here we can see one thing. Why? To separate two compounds having marginal difference in their boiling point. To separate two compounds having marginal difference in their boiling point, fractional distillation method is used. In this method, the compound having low boiling point gets distilled out first. Clear, my dear students? So over here, this particular compound is a symmetrical compound. If it is symmetrical, it is having the higher boiling point of about 63 degrees Celsius and it will have 60 degrees Celsius. So the method which has been actually applied to separate out these two liquids would be fractional distillation, because fractional distillation is a method to separate two compounds having marginal difference in their boiling points. Therefore, option number A is the right answer, my dear students. And yes, Jatin, today is the last class of questionnaire sessions. Yeah, Lakshmi, biomolecules are over. I think you missed it. Yeah. Okay. Yes, my dear students. Okay, so here goes the next question. But before that, my dear students, don't miss out the mock test because it strengthens your preparation. So, after the session gets over, hit on the link given below in the description box and attempt the mock test. Clear, my dear students? Okay. And yes, Ashur Shikhar is saying the right thing. Josh should be high. Keep up your Josh high. Energy to the peaks so that it becomes easy for all of us to prepare hard for the exam. Is it so? Chaliye, chaliye, chaliye. So my dear students, here goes the next question on the session. A chemist has 4 samples. A chemist have 4 samples of artificial sweetener A, B, C and D. To identify these samples, he performed certain experiments and noted the following observations. These are the observations given to you. Read them nicely and carefully, slowly, approach nicely and then let me know that based on these observations, which option is correct. Which option is correct? The first statement says A and D both form blue-violet color with ninhydrine. So let me check who are giving me the answers. I am getting the answers in the favor of option number A, C. Okay. Well, Adarsh is saying B is also the answer. Deepak, there are no issues. You can attempt the mock test if you haven't attempted the previous mock test also. Well, my dear students, I believe that all of you are giving me the wrong answer for this particular question. See, A and D, backup is saying D, but before backup, Adarsh said D is the right answer. Saurav is also saying D is the right answer. Yes, my dear students, D is the right answer. Why? A and D both form blue-violet color with ninhydrine. Now, A and D, they give positive test with ninhydrine. Why they are giving the positive test with ninhydrine? Because ninhydrine test is for the amino acid preferably. That means they both have free carboxylic and amine group. If A and D, they are giving blue-violet color with ninhydrine, it means that they have free carboxylic and amine group. Here goes the structure for aspartame. This is the structure for aspartame. Okay, my dear students. Now they are saying that A and D gives the positive test with ninhydrine because both have free carboxylic and amine group. So it is aspartame. And what is D? What is D? We have to know what is D. Can you tell me what is D should be? It should be allitame. It should be allitame because it is also having free amino and carboxylic acid. So this is our allitame. So A and D, you all know A is aspartame and D is allitame. Now C forms PPT with AgNO3. C forms PPT with AgNO3 in Lessagnese extract because it has chlorine. So if somebody gives PPT with AgNO3, obviously it would have chlorine. So this is what? This is our sucralose. This is sucralose. C. Clear, my dear students? If now they are saying B and D, this is my B. B and D gives a positive test with sodium nitroprusside because both have sulfur atoms. If B and D gives positive test with sodium nitroprusside, it means they have sulfur atoms. So over here also we are seeing sulfur atom and over here also we are seeing sulfur atom. So B is saccharin. B is saccharin. Fine. So it is aspartame, which is A. What is B? B is saccharin. What is C? Sucralose. And what is D? Allitame. Clear? Clear? Okay. I believe no need to learn these structures. Just have an overview of the structures. Fine. Just overview, my dear students. Fine. It is clear? Preetham says, no, it's not clear. Why isn't clear? Because over here I have clearly mentioned the structures. I have told you what all the tests are giving to us. So I don't feel there would be any problem, my dear students. Here I goes with the next question on the screen. In chromatography, which of the following statements is incorrect for RF? बताइए जल्दी से मुझे. Here you all are saying me that option number C is right. Is it so? Is it so? Let me check. Jatin is saying, please explain allitame, ma'am. I'll explain, but wait, Jatin. Let me know the answer for this particular question. All of you are giving that option number C is the right answer. Well, I'll also go with your instincts, with your options, and yes, option number C is the right answer. In chromatography, which of the following statement is incorrect for RF? See, my dear students, statement C is saying that higher RF value means higher adsorption. But my dear students, let me tell you one thing, that low polarity compounds are weakly adsorbed and has greater RF value. Now, what is RF value? We can say it as a retention factor or retardation factor. Okay. So, RF represents the ratio of, or I could say RF represents the ratio between the migration distance of a substance, migration distance of a substance, migration distance of a substance, okay, divided by the migration distance of the solvent front. Migration distance of the solvent front. Solvent front, my dear students. Clear है आप सभी को ये वाली बात? ठीक है. Now, low polarity compounds are weakly adsorbed and has greater RF value. Clear? Now, RF value depends on the type of the chromatography. Absolutely correct. The value of RF cannot be more than 1. See, the value of RF, it ranges between the value of RF ranges between 0 and 1. Okay, so the value of RF cannot be more than 1. Absolutely correct. But higher RF value means higher absorption? No. RF value is dependent on the mobile phase? Yes. So option number C is the right answer to this particular question, my dear students. Okay. Thank you so much, Rekha. Thank you so much, my dear students. Okay. Okay. Adi, we'll be starting the conceptual classes very soon. The notifications you'll get on your mail IDs. Not to worry, my dear students. Yes. Oh, wow, Jatin, a big compliment. Thank you so much, my dear students. So, my dear students, moving ahead with the next question on the screen. For the estimation of nitrogen, 1.4 gram. This question is very important question, because this question is frequently asked from this chapter. So all of you have to learn the methodology to attempt this particular question. Clear? Okay. So yes, I'll now solve this particular question for all of you. Well, I'm getting the answers. Thank you so much. Tarun, thank you so much. Prabhudatta says B is the answer. Ashushikar says B. Well, Shushti Ashleen is saying B. Tarun is saying B. Sneha Soniwal is saying B is the right answer. Okay, my dear students, I am getting the replies. Okay. Yeah, all of you have given me the right answer. Well, I would say that Prabhudatta, Ashushikar, Shrushti, Tarun, Sneha Soniwal, Tapsar Alam, Ari Rocker, Shrishta Yadav. यार किस किस के नाम लूँ मैं? All of you have given me the right answers at the same time, 11:26 a.m. Okay, so all of you are winners for me. Congratulations. Okay, yes, it means this chapter is on your tips, on your fingertips. Okay. So yes, option number B is the right answer. It's very important question, because such types of the questions JEE do ask them. So now how to solve this question? Well, all of you might know about it, but it's my duty to explain you over here. So yes, for the estimation of nitrogen, 1.4 grams of an organic compound was digested by Jalhal's method, and the evolved ammonia was absorbed in 60 ml of M/10 sulfuric acid. The unreacted acid required 20 ml of M/10 sodium hydroxide for complete neutralization. The percentage of nitrogen in the compound is what? See, let's find out the unreacted, the volume of unreacted H2SO4. So, let unreacted fine unreacted acid whose concentration is given to us, which is 1/10 molar. Now 1/10 molar of H2SO4 means 1/5 normality. So normality would be 1/5 and molarity is 1/10. Why? Because over here, if I talk about the basicity of H2SO4, it is 2. So all of you know that normality upon molarity is equals to valence factor. Valence factor for H2SO4 is 2. Okay, and over here my molarity, you know. So normality is equals to molarity into valence factor. Molarity is 1/10, so normality becomes 1/5. Okay, H2SO4. Let unreacted acid 1/10 molar, which is 1/5 normal H2SO4, be V-ml. Clear? Now you know that 20 ml of 1/10 molar NaOH. I can write that 20 ml of 1/10 molar NaOH is equals to V-ml of 1/5 normal H2SO4. Okay, because the unreacted acid required 20 ml of M/10 sodium hydroxide. So I have equated these two particular things. So it becomes 20 into 1 by 10, which is equals to V dash into 1 by 5, my dear students. So V dash becomes 10 ml over here. Clear? So used H2SO4, used H2SO4, it would be 60 minus 10, which becomes equals to 50 ml, my dear students. So percentage of the nitrogen from the Geldar's method, it would be 1.4 multiplied by what? Normality multiplied by volume. So volume used of H2SO4, normality of H2SO4 divided by the organic compound weight, the weight of the organic compound given to us, which will be 1.4 into 1 by 5 into 50. Okay, and over here it would be the weight given to us is 1.4. So it came out to be 10%. So the percentage of nitrogen is 10%. Clear, my dear students? Okay. Yes, Ashushikar, yes. The next class that would be taken by me would be notified to you, my dear students. Okay. So not to worry. Yeah, Jatin, you said about LE-TAME. Let me explain you about LE-TAME, my dear students. So here is the structure of LE-TAME which I have told you. This is the structure of LE-TAME. And in the question it was given that A and D give positive test with ninhydrin because why? Because why A and D give positive test with ninhydrin? It is because it would be either amino acid, or we can say it might have free carboxylic and amine group. So over here in LE-TAME you can see the free carboxylic and amine group. Similarly in aspartame the free carboxylic and amine group. Clear, my dear students? Moreover, this LE-TAME, that means B and D, this B and D, they are giving positive test with sodium nitroprusside. It means they have sulfur atoms. So in LE-TAME we have sulfur atom. In saccharine also we are having sulfur atom. Clear, Jatin? Is it clear, my dear student? Okay. See, now the classes which would be scheduled, okay, for the conceptual lessons, for the conceptual sessions, they would be notified to you, my dear students. They would be notified to you on your mail IDs. So need not to worry. Very soon the conceptual classes are going to start, but we'll let you know the timings and the date. Okay, is it clear? Oh my dear, I'll too miss you all. I'll too will miss you all because it's been a month that I'm with you all. So it's kind of a habit I have got of yours. So my dear students, need not to worry. We'll be soon again with you. But for now, my dear students, please have a focus over here. Yeah, the correct match between items 1 and 2. Let me know the answer of this particular question. Wow, all of you are giving me the right answers. Well, Sanskriti says D. Sai Harshita says D. Okay, Sneha Soniwal, what happened? Okay, students, I will be back again very soon. So just don't be sad. Have a smile on your face. And yes, keep your pure Josh high until then. Have full energy and join me in the conceptual classes. Okay, well, all of you have given me the right answers. Congratulations, my dear students. I'm really happy to see your performances, that you all are actually improving a lot. Thank you so much, my dear students. Yes, all of you have given me the right answer. D is the right answers. Okay, I'll mark D. Why? Because, my dear students, if I talk about the mixture H2O is to sugar. So I'll separate this particular mixture with the help of a method known as recrystallization. Known as recrystallization. Clear, my dear students? Is it clear? Okay. So you know what do you mean by crystallization? You know the meaning of crystallization? Mixtures with difference in the solubility of the organic compounds and its impurities in a solvent. Okay, so sugar with impurity of a common salt can be crystallized from hot ethanol. Or you also can say sugars dissolve but salt doesn't dissolve. Okay, fine. So this is the method recrystallization, with the help of which we can extract, we can separate this mixture. If I talk about H2O is to aniline, H2O is to aniline, so it would be steam distillation. It would be steam distillation. Okay, H2O is to sugar, recrystallization. H2O is to toluene. It would be differential extraction, my dear students. If I talk about steam distillation, listen to me very carefully. Mixtures of substances which are volatile in steam, not miscible with water. Now, aniline and water, they are not miscible, okay? They possess a vapor pressure of about 10 to 15 mm of Hg, and they contain non-volatile impurities. Example is aniline and water. Second example, if I give you, it's purification of nitrobenzene, orthonitrophenol, bromobenzene with the help of steam distillation. Oh, you actually did not know my name? Students, you do not know my name. My name is Rakhi Maheshwari, my dear students. Okay. So yes, D is the right answer. If I talk about H2O is to toluene, it gets separated out of differential extraction method. Okay, Rakhi ma'am, yes. So mixtures of organic compounds from their aqueous solution using a solvent. I am talking about now differential extraction. Mixtures of organic compounds from their aqueous solutions using a solvent that should be immiscible with water or dissolve the organic compound. I hope that you all know the theory behind recrystallization, steam distillation and differential extraction. Well, option number D is the right answer. Yes, again I will say, my dear students, that do not forget to attempt the mock test. The link of the mock test is given in the description box. If you like the session, hit the like button and share it with your friends, my dear students. And yes, subscribe the channel. Oh, Prabhudatta says my laptop will miss you, ma'am. Is it so? My goodness. Okay, my dear students. So, chaliye, my dear students, chaliye, let's move on to the next question. Okay, here goes the next question. A chromatography column packed with silica gel as a stationary phase was used to separate a mixture of compounds consisting of A. Benzanilide, B. Aniline, and C. Acetophenone. So A is benzanilide, B is aniline, and C is acetophenone. When the column is eluted with a mixture of solvents hexane and ethyl acetate, 20 is to 80, that means ethyl acetate, which is a polar compound, it is in excess. The sequence of obtained compounds would be, okay, you all are saying me that ma'am B is the right answer. Well, none of you have given me the wrong answer. No, Sharat, I am not leaving, but today it was the last session of the questionnaire part. We have completed all the 28 chapters. So now I will be starting the conceptual classes very soon. Okay, the date and the time would be given to you and it would be notified to you on your mail IDs. So need not to worry about it. Okay. Fine. Yes, B is the right answer. C, A, B. See, if I talk about benzenilide. Okay, benzenilide, if I talk about the structure of benzenilide is, this is the structure of benzenilide. Clear, my dear students? This is the structure of aniline. Clear? And this is the structure of acetophenone. Clear? This is A, this is B, and this is C, my dear students. If I talk about their dipole moments, so dipole moment of benzenilide is 2.71 what? Dipole, okay. If I talk about the dipole moment of aniline, it is 1.59 dBi, 2.71 dBi, 1.59 dBi, and of acetophenone it is 3.05 dBi. Clear? Now, since column is eluted with the solvent having more proportion of ethyl acetate, This ethyl acetate is the polar compound, my dear students. So if it is having the high polarity, what would happen? What would happen? There would be interaction, the stronger interactions, okay. So my dear students, since ethyl acetate is in more proportion, the more polar compound will come out first. The more polar compound is going to come out first. Now among all the three, which is more polar? More is the dipole moment, more is the polarity. So order of the polarity is given as, order of polarity I am talking about. So order of polarity is C, then A and then B. This is the order of polarity, my dear students. So more is the dipole moment, more will be the interaction with the solvent ethyl acetate, and because of this particular polarity thing, this C compound is being eluted out first, my dear students. Clear hai? Clear hai, my dear students? Okay. No, these classes are not at end. We'll be there with you very soon. So need not to worry, my dear students. Need not to worry. Okay. So here goes the next question on the screen. The correct match between items of list 1, the correct match between items of list 1 and list 2 is. Vibha, I think that if you have joined Careers 360, the notifications would be given to you on your mail IDs, my dear students, so need not to worry about that. I will be teaching the conceptual classes, Sharat Praveen, need not to worry. My dear students, let me tell you one thing. Very soon, I am going to actually take the conceptual classes. The date and the timings would be updated. It would be actually notified to you. So, there should be and there shouldn't be any confusion, my dear students. Okay. So, be focused for this particular session. Okay. Be focused for this. So, yes, I am getting the answers as that option number D is the right answer. What happened? Is it so that option number D is the right answer, my dear students? A is with the R, okay. B is with P, okay. C is with the S, okay. I am actually getting mixtures of glycerol and sugar. D, you are saying it is with Q. Fractional distillation. Is it so? Is it so? That would be the answer. Well, yes, B is the right answer. B is the right answer. A is with the R, B is with the P, C is with the Q and D is with the S. B is the right answer, my dear students. See, if I talk about color impurity, it's very common that with the help of charcoal treatment, we can actually do it. We can actually work out. So, charcoal treatment removes colored impurity through adsorption. Okay. If I talk about mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, I told you before also that steam distillation separates the mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol is steam volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and para isomer is not volatile. So B goes with steam distillation, B goes with P. Okay, and A goes with R. This is true. But if I talk about crude naphtha and mixture of glycerol and sugar, listen to it very carefully. If I am talking about crude naphtha, so it goes with fractional distillation, my dear students. See, if the boiling points of two liquids is not much, they are separated by this method. Now naphtha is a flammable liquid hydrocarbon mixture, so it will be getting separated out of the fractional distillation. If I talk about mixture of glycerol and sugar, it will actually be separated by distillation under reduced pressure. So distillation under reduced pressure separates mixture of glycerol and sugar. Vacuum distillation lowers the boiling point and prevents the decomposition, my dear students. Clear? Clear, my dear students? Crude naphtha, naphthalene balls, crude naphtha I am talking about, okay? The solid things I am talking about, my dear students. Fine? Is it clear? So option number B is the right answer. Okay, I will zoom it. Wait a minute. I'm zooming it out. Just see. Now it's okay to all of you. Is it clear to all of you now? Okay, just have a look. I've zoomed it. I've zoomed it. Okay, I've zoomed it. Now you can see. Can you see it? See, if I talk about crude naphtha, I just want to say one thing. It is a flammable liquid made from distilling petroleum. Fine. And it looks like gasoline, my dear students. So, naphtha is used to dilute heavy oil to help move it through pipelines to make high octane gas, to make lighter fluid, and even to clean metals. Clear, my dear students? Is it clear? So, naphtha is a journal term as each refinery produces its own naphthas with their own unique initial and final boiling points. Clear, my dear students? Okay, fine. So, yeah, here goes the next question, and I'm just now making it to the, yeah. Okay, so during the detection of presence of iodine in an organic compound, the presence is confirmed when the precipitate is dash. So I want the answers from you, what you all are saying to me regarding this particular question. You all are saying that option number C is the right answer, but Tapsir, why did you say that B is the right answer? Because C is the right answer, my dear students. Yeah, C is the right answer. Why? See, when in an organic compound, there is presence of iodine. Clear? So, obviously, we get yellow precipitate. Yellow precipitate. Now, this yellow precipitate, it is insoluble. It is insoluble in aqueous ammonia. Insoluble in aqueous ammonia. Aqueous ammonia means NH4OH only, my dear students. If I talk about bromine presence, it will give us dull yellow precipitate. Dull yellow precipitate, and it is partially soluble. It is partially soluble in aqueous ammonia, my dear students. Now, if I talk about chlorine, my dear students, it is soluble in aqueous ammonia. Soluble in aqueous ammonia, my dear students. Is it fine to everyone, my dear students? Yes. Okay, so it is option number C which is the correct answer. Moving ahead, and I want to know the answer of this particular question. The technique used for the separation of a mixture of calcium sulfate and camphor. It's a very simple and a easy question because since 10th class you are studying this particular methodology of sublimation, and yes, all of you have given me the right answer. Sanskriti, Prabhudatta, Sai Harshita, Ashwat Shikhar, Bratati Mukherjee, Lakshmi Menon, Shreya Satpathy, Nevangel, okay, Adarsh, Shrishti, Branda Suresh, Dilip Rata, all of you, Krishna Veni, Tapsir Alam are giving me the answer D. So over here for this question, there is no need to give any explanation. Well, I would say, my dear student, how is your Josh? How is your energy? Are you enjoying this session? Yeah, Sanskriti, it was a bachcha question. So, कभी कभार बच्चा question भी दे देना चाहिए हमें, है कि नहीं? Yes. So, my dear students, I would just remind you again that don't forget to attempt the mock test. Don't forget to attempt the mock test after the session gets over, my dear students. Work hard after these sessions, my dear students, okay? And we'll be back soon with the conceptual sessions too. Well, my dear students, if you like the session, hit the like button and share it with your friends, subscribe the channel. And yes, here goes the next question on the screen. According to Dumas method, remember I'm asking according to Dumas method, percentage of nitrogen in an organic compound can be calculated. Let me know the answer of this particular question. Wow, Sound Hartisha is saying B is the right answer. Lakshmi Menon is saying B. Sanskriti is also saying that B is the right answer. Okay, Prabhudatta is saying B is the right answer. Good, my dear student. Ashwat Shikhar is also saying B is the right answer. Shrishti is also saying B. Yes, my dear students, B is the right answer. And I don't believe that there would be any explanation needed for this particular question. Well, if the questionnaire, if the examiner asks you that according to Geldhal's method, how we will be calculating out the percentage, then you would have marked this particular option number A as the right answer. Clear? Well, yes, all of you are giving me the right answer. Dilip Radha, Krishna Veni, Ram Babu, all of you are giving. Jatin Raj. I mean, there are so many students. I don't know whom name should I take first and whom name the after one? So because all of you are equal for me. Okay, my dear students. So here goes the next question on the screen. The strength of an aqueous NaOH solution is most accurately determined by titrating. This was the question asked this year in January 2020 session. Okay. January JEE session 2020, this question was asked, my dear students, and I hope that all of you might be knowing the correct answer to this particular question. Tarun is saying option number C. Ashwashikhar is also saying option number C. Sai Harshita is saying option number C. Kuber is saying option number A. Prabhudatta is saying option number A is the right answer. Is it so, Prabhudatta? I want the right answers and I'm waiting for the right answers to come. I'm not getting the right answers from all of you. I want the right answer. I'm not getting the right answer. What happened to you all for this particular question? Sol RDX. D. Yes, keep it up, Sol RDX. Yes, D is the right answer. D is the right answer, and the only one giving me the right answer is Sol RDX. Now Satvika is saying D. Yes, D is the right answer. Sanskriti is also saying now D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Aqueous NaOH in a burette and aqueous oxalic acid in conical flask. See, oxalic acid is a primary standard and H2SO4 is a secondary standard solution. Okay. Now, when we want to know the strength of aqueous NaOH, the strength of aqueous NaOH solution is most accurately determined by titrating aqueous NaOH in a burette and aqueous oxalic acid in a conical flask with the appropriate indicator phenolphthalein. Clear, my dear students? Prabhudatta is saying, ma'am, as it is a base, so it shouldn't keep in a burette. No, Prabhudatta, while we want to know the exact strength of NaOH, we will be keeping NaOH in a burette and aqueous oxalic acid in a conical flask. Okay, you may actually confirm this particular thing from anywhere. Fine, my dear students. We did it in practical class for estimation of NaOH. So Satvika, you gave me the answer. Satvika, you gave me the answer D. But I thought it is RDX. Yeah, Satvika is absolutely right. If Satvika, you gave the answer first, I'm sorry, I might have missed it. But yes, Satvika, you are right. I'm really sorry. Yes, in practical classes also we do that NaOH is kept in the burette to know the strength, exact strength of NaOH and oxalic acid in the conical flask with the appropriate indicator as phenolphthalein, my dear students. Clear? And here goes the second last question of the session. Let me know the answer of this particular question now. Okay, it's not a second last, it's now the last question of the session. Here goes the last question of this particular session. I want the answer from all of you. The correct match between item 1 and item 2 is? The correct match between item 1 and item 2 is? Lakshmi Menon said that it's D. Nevenjal is saying me, I don't know what the answers you all are saying me, but Tarun has said me B is the right answer. Sanskriti is saying B is the right answer. Bratati, you said D is the right answer. Jatin Raj said D. Sai Harshita says D. Well, my dear students, without taking your much time, I would go with those students whose options are in the favor of option number B, because option number B is right answer. See, my dear students, over here they are saying purple color, over here they are saying green color. So, you know, this thing you should know, we might have studied in D and F block elements, that the green color is for K2MnO4. Okay, is it clear to everyone or not? Fine. We get green color because of K2MnO4. And why we get the purple color? Why we get the purple color? Because of KMnO4, my dear students. Okay. So yes, if I talk about A, it would be MnO2. Okay, I'm writing the balanced equation only, just have a focus. This is A, clear? And we get B as K2MnO4 and this is B having green color, clear? Plus twice of H2O, okay? Now what is B? Okay, wait a minute. I'll write the balanced equation only. It is then 3K2MnO4 plus 4HCl gives me KMnO4. KMnO4 plus, wait a minute, there should not be any mistake my dear students over here. Okay, twice of KMnO4 plus MnO2 plus 4KCl. Now the purple color is because of this. Purple color is because of KMnO4 my dear students. Now KMnO4 twice of KMnO4 which is C actually reacts with Ki plus H2O gives us twice of MnO2 which is A and what would be D? It would be KiO3. This is D along with KOH my dear students. So A and D they are MnO2 and KiO3. Yes. Okay, my dear students. So I believe that all of you have now understood it, that why option number B is the right answer. Okay. Well, my dear students, I would say that it was all for this particular session and we have covered all the chapters of chemistry, the 28 chapters of chemistry. Over here we have solved very important questions also. I believe that you enjoyed these sessions a lot and I believe that you will miss me. Yes, okay. I too will also miss you because it's been a 1 month being with you all and it's really a small thing. It's coming, it's very an emotional moment also that since the sessions are over, but don't worry my dear students, I will be back soon with the conceptual classes my dear students, okay? But till then you have to actually work hard on the weaker part of yours, okay? Don't forget to attempt the mock test, not this mock test, also the mock test whose link is given in the description box, but the mock test which you found in the on the dashboards, okay, on the dashboard of career 360 platform my dear students, learn.career 360 platform. So don't just think that these are the questions enough for you. No, you have to solve many questions until your exams has been scheduled, okay? So my dear students, it was a good time and yes, I love you all and thank you so much my dear students. Bye bye, take care, work hard, stay safe at your home, and again I would say yes, solve many questions as you can. Bye bye, take care.